In this video, we will learn how to use subject-relative clauses. We use defining relative clauses to say exactly what people or things we are talking about. I like the woman who works in the coffee shop. If I don't say who works in the coffee shop, then we don't know which woman I mean. Sentences with relative clauses can be thought of a combination of two sentences and a shorter way of saying the same thing. For example, I like the woman. She works in the coffee shop. I like the woman who works in the coffee shop. We use who to refer to people. This is the woman who works in the library. We use which to refer to things. This is the website which has the best deals. That can be used to refer to people or things. I like people that are kind. Poker is a game that can be played for hours. Who, which, and that refer back to the person or thing the speaker is talking about. I have a friend who is very talkative. This is the robot which answers your questions. Brad Pitt is the actor that starred in the movie Fight Club. The verb in a subject-relative clause agrees with the noun in the main clause. I have a friend who loves studying English. I have some friends who love studying English. Let's look at some questions and answers. Do you have any English books which are easy to read? Here's a book which is easy to read. Did you find anyone who is right for the position? I interviewed someone who is perfect for the job. We can also make sentences where a relative clause is the object, but we'll save that for another video. Thanks for watching. Click here to subscribe or check out my other videos.